Hello everyone, welcome to this series on the history of English literature. And in this video, we are going to discuss the literary features of the age between Chaucer and Spenser. Poverty of material. Considering the length of the period, the poverty of the literary output is hard to explain. This era stands out as an anomaly, marked by a surprising scarcity of significant literary works, particularly in English poetry. There is no English poet of any consequence during this time, and the prose writing is notably thin in both quality and quantity. If it were not for the contributions of the Scottish poets, the literary landscapes of the age would be remarkably barren. This dearth of material highlights a period of literary drought where the usual abundance of creative expression seemed to have waned. Scottish poetry. Scottish poetry, although late to enter the literary scene, makes a significant impact once it does. Several factors had previously hindered its development. The poverty and disunion of Scotland, its separation from the intellectual stimulus of English thought, and a lack of educational facilities. These disadvantages collectively delayed Scotland's literary evolution. However, as these obstacles began to fade, the results were rapidly beneficial, leading to a flourishing of Scottish poetry. The emergence of Scottish poets brought a much-needed richness to the period, showcasing the resilience and eventual triumph of Scottish literary expression. The development of the drama. During this period, the popularity of Romance literature began to wane, giving way to the burgeoning importance of drama. The drama was more suited to the growing intelligence and evolving tastes of the time. This shift in preference led to the rise of professional actors and playwrights who emerged to meet the increasing demand for dramatic performances. The development of drama during this era is particularly notable, as it marks a significant transformation in the literary landscape. The professionalization of the theatrical arts and the growing importance of drama signify a pivotal moment in literary history. The importance of the period. Despite its apparent barrenness, this period holds great importance in the broader context of literary history. It is, in reality, a season of healthy fallow, germination and rest. This time of recuperation allowed for the slow awakening of the literary impulse, which was waiting for the right moment to emerge. When that moment finally arrived, the long period of rest and preparation gave the new literary movement a swift and enduring force. This era of quiet development laid the groundwork for a significant and powerful literary renaissance, proving that even periods of apparent inactivity can be crucial for future growth and innovation. In conclusion, while the period might initially seem devoid of significant literary output, it is essential to recognize the underlying developments and transformations that occurred. The emergence of Scottish poetry, the rise of drama, and the overall importance of this time as a preparatory phase all contribute to its lasting impact on literary history. So this was the discussion on the literary features of the age between Chaucer and Spenser. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other topic. Until then, goodbye and thank you.